Let me ask you about AI.
Mm.
How do you think AI is changing the game?
AI is great. AI is fantastic. It can help you. It can't. You should have you should be in an industry that AI can't replace you in, but AI can help you. AI should augment. Augmenting means it should add and bolster, and really, let's say, strengthen what you do. It should make your life easier. So suppose you're a video editor. AI can now do 8 hours of work in half an hour, but you still need to be there to check it over. If you're a writer or content creator, AI can do half a day's job in 1 hour, saving you so many hours. But you still must give it the prompts. The AI is only as good as the prompts. The prompts come from where? Humans. So we can't. AI needs human input. AI, not yet. It can't run by itself. It never will, because it needs sapience. The word sapience, AI won't have. AI will have intelligence, but not sapience. Sapience is ability to see through things. So you've got 3 levels, right? You've got information, which is knowledge. I know about A, B, and C. Memory, great memory. So this person's informed and knowledgeable. But he may not necessarily be intelligent. Intelligent is connecting A to B to Z to X. That's intelligence. Intelligence is connecting A, B, C, D. That's intelligence. A machine can have information and it can have intelligence, but it can't have sapience. Even deep learning machines. So you've got 3 levels, haven't you? You've got of AI. You've got machine learning, and you've got deep learning. So deep learning. But even deep learned machines like the IBM supercomputers, they can't ever get to sapience. Sapience is seeing through things. They can't see through things. And that's nuance. That's sophistication. That's a level of intellect that machines won't have. So they can have intelligence, but not intellect. Is a difference.
I do like, what you've said there. And I love like AI myself
Yeah.
because sometimes you can try lead people in your team and sometimes people are just like robots. They're like, for example, I don't even want to say it, but it's like you can tell somebody to do something for you and they do that literal thing with no sort of, flamboyance about it in terms of, you told me to do this and that's done. And I was like, yeah, but where's the rest of it? You know what I mean? And the people are like just so transactional now. With AI, you can set AI a task. It knows it's done that 100 times before, and it won't make a mistake. So what if you're like a business owner, and you haven't got much time, but you want machines to be working around you, like even for example, like a newsletter, you can just use your Wix app and you go, please write me a newsletter for my followers about a Bank of England base rate, and it's just all done there.
Exactly.
Like, okay, and you just add a little bit, like I've got a new video out. Also, go and check out, here's the link. Send to 300-400 subscribers on your list, is done. But trying to tell somebody else that, it's like, what shall I write about? What about the Bank of England? Because that's your topic. Where shall I look at this article? AI will just go and pick that out for you.
And the word for that is agency. AI, through prompts, through pattern recognition, has got now agency. And we've seen the movie iRobot.
Yes.
20 years ago. But them RD-R8s were great, but not R8s, they were concept cars, weren't they?
Yeah.
Amazing cars. So again, that's the danger, isn't it? A very good book by Mohammed Godat talks about AI, how AI can have a mind of its own. I don't think we'll ever get to that level, because for me, as a Muslim who understands life and death, who's seen life and death, literally seen life and death, AI won't ever have a soul. Machines will never have a soul. And it's the soul which gives you morality. And it's morality what gives you sapience. You have to have that morality. AI won't ever have the soul. So just like animals don't have a soul, animals, like, you could get a horse or a cattle and they could graze very good for you, better than a lawnmower can. But it won't ever have, you won't ever know what's good and bad. It doesn't have, it can recognize patterns, yes. So I know AI can be, it's even used in medicine. And it's better than some doctors, by the way. AI can diagnose retinal diseases, which are diseases at the back of the eye, better than some doctors. But it can't make the decisions about treatment like doctors can, because it still needs that human input.